Welcome to Best Car Fixes. This car here, the high pressure pump. Yes, I'm here for you. The high pressure pump, it has two. One is here, one is there. Let me see now. It is driven by the camshaft, right? So anytime the camshaft comes, there is a little bossy plate that is go up and push that spring to push the gas, to pump to create a high pressure before go to the injectors, right? So here is just one way. I remember those are on diesels, not on gas. So this one here is coming from the separator here, right? There is a distributor here, the fuel pump coming
Low pressure.
from the low pressure, and they come here. I don't know why they come with this one. I know they are in the diesel. This is called high pressure pump.
The most
One is the
important,
left, one
the
is
most
the
important thing in putting this pump in is making sure you catch these lines by hand and make sure it doesn't damage
the thread.
No, the seal here.
Okay, yes, I see there is a seal. Okay, okay.
So once you catch it by hand, your job is over. Just pull it straight.
Okay, and go down.
Go down. Catch by hand.
They call it high pressure.
200 and better PSI.
200 PSI.
And better, yeah, but
That's a lot.
tear through your skin.
That's where the car is smooth.
Alright, so we catch by hand, lock it off. One, two, make sure. Snug it.
Snug.
Snug it. Might go back to the lines now.
Okay.
Yeah, snug.
Snug.
Like yam fit nigga mouth.
Ah.
Tap. That's it.
Okay. Thank you. Now, I'm going to read my quotes, clear the quotes, and this is they're all the same. If you want to put the left side or the right side, they're all the same. Just be sure that the part numbers are different. One of them is HM10046, and that one is HM10045. Left side, right side, del 5. Okay. Right now, I am going to scan the whole car and then start it and see what is there. Yeah, that pump have to get something there. Yes, I feel it. All the TC are erased. Yes. Control module, climate control, engine, diagnose, self-diagnose, codes, Okay, fuel rate pressure, air meter mass. Okay, those are the code. So let me see now. Delete DTC. Yes. You know. Control module. The engine nothing. That the transmission control is supposed to be off too. Engine code. Engine code. Let me clear this too. Delete it. Okay, self-diagnose. Okay. Delete code. Yes. Control unit. What do you have again? I have a lot of stuff again, but I'm gonna leave this one now for now. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share, and like. Yes, left, right, day, right learning. Now we're gonna look for other stuff. Whatever we need, we're gonna go with it one by one. Please subscribe, share, and like, and see you in another video.